Okay, I just got this watch back from being serviced, supposedly fixed, with a whole bunch of time graphs on it. And I'm not 100% convinced that they did anything. It is a Yema. Current time is exactly that. I've reset it. Today is Thursday, the 9th of the 12th, 2021. I will check it again tomorrow. Just as a reference, that's my Seiko in the bottom. Which apparently loses a little bit of time. Again, this one. Okay, here we are. The next day at 8 o'clock, the exact same time. And in 24 hours, this watch has gained 24 minutes. So, just in case you think I'm making this up, that's my Seiko, same watch in the bottom, the watch winder. As you can see, the date's the 10th. And that's the Navy graph. Excellent job, guys. Well fixed. And alright, now just to be fair, as I've pointed out before and in the previous videos I did of this watch, this is the same watch. It's now a couple of minutes later as I've taken it down. I've got the old time grapher out again. And as you can see now, it looks like it's performing quite well. And I'm sure if I wait long enough, all of a sudden it will start spazzing out. And sure enough, I did not have to wait long. Okay, here we go. Check that out. Oh, it's actually lost it completely. There we go. I can get the two in the frame at the same time, but that's it there. Move the grapher in, hang on. Okay, there we go. It's actually wigging out my time grapher.